Ross Coulthard, the well-known ufologist, UFO journalist, whatever you want to call him, from News Nation, has released what he describes as the best piece of UFO video he has seen in a while. Released on the 4th of June 2025, this UAP was captured in Greenland. Take a look at this footage and the interview with one of the men that was there that witnessed the UFO event, and let me know in the comments what you think.
Hold up! Wow! Hold da op.
Recurring about this every night while we were being up there, because it is, even though I'm into the subject and I'm interested and I know there's something to this subject, it was just a different thing to witness it. It was quite shocking in many ways, actually. It really turned my world upside down in many ways, I must admit that.